how can you support a candidate whose movement may, 4 years from now, come back to threaten our democracy?
Bob, you want to take that one?
That's a very general statement. I look for more specifics. For example, I am very encouraged by the list of Supreme Court nominees that the candidate that you refer to, Mr. Trump, has put forward as potential replacements for Justice Antonin Scalia. His death was a tremendous loss from my standpoint in terms of somebody who respects the United States Constitution, the rule of law, and I believe those are 10 potential nominees who reflect that. I am encouraged by a candidate who says that he wants a vice presidential nominee who understands the legislative process so that he, meaning Mr. Trump, can work better with the Congress, something that would be a vast improvement over the current circumstance that we find. So these are things that you have to look to determine who would make the best president of the United States. And I agree with Mike, you also have to look at the track record of the person who was our Secretary of State, and I think a lot of the problems that we have now exacerbated during her leadership or lack of leadership in working in the Obama administration. So this is going to be a great presidential debate. I look forward to hearing more, but I like what I've been hearing lately from that candidate about who he would want to see involved in positions of leadership in our government.
And Bill, if I could answer that too, I think it's important that our nominee has good advisors and good advice, particularly on this issue, which is the most important issue facing the nation, I believe. And so good foreign policy advisors, good national security advisors. I've had discussions with Mayor Giuliani about trying to get advisors. Reagan, it wasn't his strength, but he made it a strength because he surrounded himself by good people and good advisors.